This is the event where we are actually calling manufacturing leaders who will be recognized and rewarded for the significant efforts in their manufacturing industry.
Ramlal Patil, CEO of Indo-German Tool Room, was felicitated as Manufacturing Maestro by Shashi, Thete, Ramesh Baleri, and Vikas Shahir. Manufacturing Maestros celebrates the achievements of precision machining organized by Machine Maker and its 8 industry partners.
This type of event, this kind of appreciation, immensely going to help Aurangabad industry leaders.
I wish everybody to make these events again and again so that we can bring more and more success story of the people working in this country and make others to inspire from the stories and work for the country.
Thanks Machine Maker team to organizing this in Sambhaji Nagar.